We are proud to show you the automatic Sanding Cobot. The interaction with the operator is only the press on the button. This new machine is unique because it measures the position and size of the workpiece and calculates the optimal path for sanding the top plane and/or the sides of the workpiece. If you are interested to know what the automatic Sanding Cobot can add to the optimization of your production process, please let us know by mail, info@talenrobotics.nl. We will contact you as soon as possible. Talen Robotics.